Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install Windows 10 onto your PC or laptop. So first I'll be showing you how to create a bootable USB pen drive and then how to install it onto your system. So let's get started. So before going into the video, there are some prerequisites which we need to follow. First thing, we must have a fully formatted pen drive. Okay, so there should be nothing inside the pen drive. If you have anything in the pen drive, backup it and fully format that pen drive and just connect that pen drive to your system. So you must have a connected pen drive or a USB. Only after that you will be able to do this entire procedure. Just Google create Windows 10 installation media and you'll be getting the official link from Microsoft support. Just click on it. And here you will be having an option to choose which operating system if you want, Windows 11 or Windows 10. We are going to go with Windows 10, and here we have the instructions. First we need to click on that blue color thing, okay, download Windows 10. After that we need to go to that create Windows 10 installation media and then select download now. So this is the procedure. So if you scroll down over here, we are having this create Windows 10 installation media and click on download now. So this will get the media creation tool set up. It is just about 18 MB in size. Just open it once it is done and you'll be getting this Windows 10 setup. This will take some time. It says getting a few things ready, so just be patient. And you'll be getting this agreement. Click on accept, and here we will be given two options. We need to select this create installation media and click on next, and here just choose the language of your choice, the edition and architecture. That's up to you. After selecting all this stuff, click on next and select the option USB flash drive over here, and it needs to be at least 8 GB. Click on next and just select your USB drive over here and click on next, and this progress will begin. This will take quite some time, so just be patient till then. So once everything is done, you will be getting the final message, your flash drive is ready. You can just click on finish, and now this is a bootable USB pen drive for Windows 10. Now we are done creating the bootable pen drive. Let's see how we can install the OS that is present in it. So first step is make sure that you are connecting the pen drive to the laptop or the PC which you want to install. After this, just restart the system, or you can simply like shut down the system and just start it again. Anything works. So when the computer restarts or starts, you need to press the bootable shortcut key so that we get into the bootable menu in BIOS. So here are the list of shortcut keys that you can use. It varies upon the model and the motherboard that you are using. So this is the list. Make sure that you are pressing the correct key. I am having my HP laptop, so I'll be pressing the key F9. So I will just go and restart the system. So I'm constantly pressing the key F9. So as you can see here, I'm getting this entering boot menu, and here you can see I am having the HP USB flash drive option. So Windows Boot Manager will be the default one, and I will just use the arrow key to go down, which is HP USB flash drive. You'll be having the pen drive model that you're using over here. So I will just hit enter after selecting it. So you'll be getting the Windows setup over here, language to install, time and currency format, keyboard format and everything, and just click on next, and we'll be having the install now option. Select it and we'll be getting the license agreement. Click on I accept and select next, and here we are having upgrade install Windows, and I want to do a custom installation, so I will just click it. These are the existing data that is present in my system. Okay, already I have a OS in it and some applications installed. So what I will do is I will basically delete all the stuff present in it. So just select it and hit delete. Okay, just do the same for everything. Okay, so after you have done that for all, you will be having some unallocated space like this. The reason why I am having only one drive is because I'm only having SSD in my laptop. In case if you're also having a hard disk, you'll be having two things over here. So I will just select my SSD, and this is going to be the particular drive where my Windows OS is going to get installed. So if you're having SSD, I would recommend you to put it there so that the system loads so fast. And click on next. So this is going to install Windows now, and it's taking some time. Just be patient again. And after some time you'll be getting, let's start with the region. Just select your country and click on yes. And the keyboard layout, I'm fine with this. I will click on yes. I don't want to, I will click on skip. And make sure that you are connecting to your Wi-Fi over here. You'll be getting this. We have to do some important setup to do. After that, be patient for a while. We will be getting the Windows 10 license agreement. Just click on accept. So next is, how would you like to set up? I will just go with setup for personal use and click on next. And next is, we need to add our Microsoft account. If you already have one, you can just enter the username here. If you don't have, select create account and create one. And next is, use your fingerprint to sign faster. I don't want that. If you want, you can click on setup. I will just skip that. And next is create a pin. Just click on create pin over here. So I will just have include letters and symbols. I will type my pin. And next is, we will be getting choose privacy settings for your device. It's totally up to you which are the things that you want to turn on and off. After you do that, click on accept. And we'll be getting let's customize your experience. You can choose whatever you want. I will just click on skip. And I don't want it. I will just click on no thanks. Just click on next. And I will just select not now. And that's it. We will be signed in to our Windows system. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.